Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is battle, a B2 level verb meaning to fight or struggle. The word battle generally means a sustained fight usually involving military forces or a struggle or contest with a challenge or opposing force. You might hear someone say the soldier's engaged in a fierce battle or he is battling his addiction. Some synonyms for battle are combat, struggle, and conflict. For example, they joined the combat against the enemy. She faced a difficult struggle to reach her goals. The conflict between the two teams was intense. Now for the antonyms, these words convey the opposite meaning of battle. They include peace, harmony, and agreement. For example, the treaty brought peace to the region. They lived in perfect harmony. The two sides came to an agreement. In everyday life, you could use battle in sentences like, I'm battling a cold, or they had a legal battle over the property. Or if someone is trying to do something difficult, you might say, he battled his way through the crowd. A few more examples include, they battle for survival, and it's a constant battle against procrastination. Remember, battle can refer to physical conflicts or more internal struggles. That brings us to the end of our word for today, battle. So, we've learned what battle means, seen it in action, found some synonyms like combat, struggle, and conflict, and antonyms like peace, harmony, and agreement. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support really helps other people find the show. And before you go, why don't you try making your own sentence using battle and share it in the comments below the video. Until next time, keep learning.